Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we were just looking at the Insta 360, and we remember having this power pack from the Mavic Pro aerial mount. And so what we thought we'd do is do some interchanging with the lenses and the power pack and the screen today. And also we picked up, it's an extended edition selfie stick, and the one great thing about this selfie stick here is as you can see, it's not very big, but this will extend out to 10 feet. Anyways, stick around. We're going to put this all together, and we're going to go out and see what kind of filming we can get with this new selfie stick. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take apart the camera. Okay, take the battery off. That's the battery. And now we're left with just the screen and the 360 lenses. Snap them together. We're going to snap. This is the power pack from the drone mount. We're going to slide that into the bottom, and presto, we have a whole new camera. And one great thing about this, I just dropped the pole. Anyways, the one great thing about this is on the bottom of the power pack for the drone, there's actually a screw mount, and this is like 10 feet long, so I have it like way over there. Anyways, there's a threaded bolt on this end, and we're just going to screw it right in there. Okay. Now we have the Insta 360 on the end of a 10-foot pole. So let's head out and do a bit of filming and see what kind of stuff we can get with this.
Like sunshine, like warm and bright, like pillows and pavement, like an accident and what's meant. We're like two different species, still the same. We're like Jekyll and Hyde, like Batman and Bruce Wayne. We're like fire and water, we're like sugar and salt. We're like everything and nothing at all. But when we are apart, I bleed and I starve, and I miss your sweet, sweet touch. Is it when you are away, I keep wishing that you stay. I can't live without you by my side. We're like pillows and pavement, we're like saved and spent. You're like $10,000. I'm like nickels and cents. You're like fresh spring water on a hot summer's day. You're like a beautiful sundown when daylight fades.
Cold inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over.